I have a whirlp0ol front-loading duet washer that leaks out the rear vent hole in the top back of the washer during the cleaning cycle only.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
2013 model number WFW94 HECO.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing that I can think of.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. The leakage is likely due to excessive suds in the cleaning cycle. Are you noticing a lot of suds during the cleaning cycle?
Not really.
What product are you using during the cleaning cycle? Is the leakage a lot of water, or are you just noticing a small line of leakage on the back panel? Also, is it leaking by the fan outlet, number 29, or at the vent, number 19? Click here.
Just a small line of water on the back panel.
By the fan outlet or vent, see above message with pick link?
I'd say the vent 19.
Okay, and what are you using in the clean cycle? Affresh tablets?
My wife is not here now, but she uses a tablet that is supposedly suggested for that machine by Whirlpool.
So probably the Affresh tablets. During the cleaning cycle, more water and suds are present to get the upper area of the outer tub cleaned and rinsed. I suspect that is what you have going on. Does it leak every time and right away, or at the last part of the cycle?
More so at the end of the cycle. It has leaked the last couple of times on the cleaning cycle, but never leaks during a normal washing cycle with laundry.
It sounds to me like it is over-sudsing and may be caused by too much detergent being used during a regular wash. A good test is to get about 3 or 4 clean bath towels that have been washed and dried and put them in the washer. Start a hot wash with no detergent and watch for suds. Any suds means too much detergent is being used during regular wash cycles. Let me know what you find. I suspect you will find that with less detergent usage, the leaking will go away during cleaning cycles.
Thanks, we'll try it and let you know.
Sounds good, keep me posted. Please know that I am compensated by the site only after you offer a rating at the top of the page. It is my goal to provide 5-star service. Please know I am here if you have follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.